Hi guys, this is Keshika and welcome to our channel Amethyst Awakening. Today we are going to do a yes or no pick a card reading, which is an intuitively channeled reading. I'm going to be looking at a yes or no answer and a timeline for your question. You can think of absolutely any question that comes to your mind. Kindly note that do not keep these questions as legal, medical, or criminal questions, as those are questions that only experts should advise you on. But other than that, you can think of anything generic or anything that is more guidance based or any question at all. And choose one of the fingers. So we have four groups. This is group one, group two, group three, and group four. I'm going to stay silent for a minute while you can choose one of these four groups, and you can also pause the video in case you need more time to make the selection. I will see you at the reading. Hi, group number one. Welcome to your reading. You guys are the people who chose the pointer finger, and welcome to your reading. So, let's see what's the answer to your question. The answer to your question is no, not right now. This is not the time for you to know the answer to this question. So, maybe this is something that is actually as per divine plan, or it's based on divine timing or something like that. It's maybe something very important or something that you need to know just at the right time. Some things, if we get to know in a premature manner, it's not really the best for us. So while I can't give you the yes or no to this question, I could probably ask by when it would be the right time for you to know this, or when the situation would start. And we can't know when it'll start unfolding, but we can know when you can know this. So you can get to know this answer or ask again in the next 2 to 3 weeks for some of you, and in the next 2 to 3 months for the other half of you. Actually, most of you, it's like you can ask again in 2 to 3 months, but for some of you, you can ask again in 2 to 3 weeks and you might get the answer. So you can probably try asking the question then. Maybe by then you have some knowledge and you might rephrase the question in a different manner, or your question might change entirely. I really hope this helped you in some way and got you some clarity or guidance. I guess some of you knew that you might not really get the answer, but you were still trying. In case you have another question, you can go back to the beginning of the video, ask another question, and choose another pile. There are also a lot of other yes or no videos on the channel which you can check out, and other pick a card readings that you can check out. Apart from that, if you're looking for a private reading, I would love to read for you. My Instagram, Facebook, and email ID are in the description box below, and you can always reach out to me there. Please leave a hi in the comments or a thumbs up in the like, and just tell me how this resonated in your situation and if you've heard this before in some other reading, because I think you have asked this question a couple of times and you might not have gotten the answer. So if that's the case, let me know. I would love to see you around. Until next time, then, bye bye. Hi, group number two. Welcome to your reading. Group number two, the answer to your question is yes. It's like definitely a yes, and I feel like saying this so fast because it's coming so fast, and I think all of you all know, and there's so much excitement, and I think you already know, and this is like a reconfirmation. Please reduce the speed while listening to your reading because I'm talking very fast, and I know that, but the energy is like so high and so nice and so chirpy and so bubbly and intense and stuff, but in a good way. And yeah, congratulations. I feel like some of you are going to be hearing some good news very, very soon. Maybe some proposals are coming, maybe some job offers are coming, some job openings are coming, some unexpected income is coming. I don't know, maybe someone's gonna win a lottery. There's definitely like good news. Um, maybe you're getting added members in the family, like someone's getting engaged or married or like getting kids and stuff like that. So congratulations, all the best, and it's pretty cool. Timelines. Okay. um Anytime between 5 weeks to 14 weeks is the timeline that I'm seeing for these things to start unfolding or for this to happen in your life. Alright, so that's not too far. Uh, for some of you, it could happen a little sooner, obviously, because this is like a general reading and we're tapping on a lot of people and into a lot of people's energies. But for most of you, it's between 5 to 14 weeks. And some of you might get like a connecting news or something within the next 14 days or like a little after that. But for most of you, this is between 5 to 14 weeks. I really hope this helped you. In case you're looking for a private session, my Instagram, Facebook and email ID are in the description box below. You can reach out to me there. There are a lot of other yes or no videos and other pick a card readings and general guidance videos on the channel which you might like, so check them out. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, say hi in the comment section below so I know who you are, how this resonated in your situation, and yeah, what's the good news that's coming. If you can share, then that would be lovely. I love to like see people happy or like getting good things happen in their lives. So that's pretty cool. I look forward to seeing you around. Until next time then, bye bye. Hi, group number 3, welcome to your reading. So far, you're like the most serious and quiet and calm group, and you're very like shant or like very quiet and peaceful, sort of like that's the vibe. Lot of calmness. Now, lot of silence rather. So, is this for some of you? Maybe you're feeling like a silence before the storm and you don't know what to expect, and so you're a little silent or like what, or taken aback in general. But I feel like there is no storm, and even if something unfavorable or undesirable based on your perception may or may not happen, it is not as bad as you think, and there is no disaster coming, and things are fine. Okay. The answer to your question is nothing bad is going to come from the situation, or nothing bad is going to happen. And you will get a chance to put forward your word and to, you know, make things work out for you in a more desirable and favorable manner. So don't get so serious about it, or don't feel like it is a lost opportunity, because it is not. And once you start getting a little more positivity in the situation, I think things will turn out for the better. Okay. I sort of got this as an answer instead of a yes or no to your question. So take what resonates and you can leave the rest from what I just said. As far as the timeline is concerned, see, now in case this is a thing that you can control at some level, then you do whatever you can control. But what you can't control is like out of your hands. So then, you know, there's no point worrying about it. Like, as far as you've done everything you can control to the best of your ability, that's all you can do. And I think that is something that is a key learning in the current situation that you are in. Within the next week, you will actually learn what I'm saying and why I'm saying this and how this resonates in your situation for those of whom it does not resonate. And even for those it does resonate but you haven't really like integrated this knowing into your being as yet, you will do that in the next week or like 10 days. That's the only timeline you need to know as far as when this is going to happen is concerned. It sounds a little harsh, but what I heard is like it's none of your business technically right now. So if someone's taking long to get back or taking their time, it's like they're taking their time, it's their decision, let them take their time. You do what you can do, and you can't really control the situation or make someone do something. Okay? Yeah, I guess that's about it. If you have any further questions that you would like to ask on a one-on-one basis or like to get an in-depth, there's something over here like some insect that's annoying me. Maybe there is something that you're not addressing that is annoying you. And I don't even know where this has come from. It's like a fruit fly or something, and there are no fruits here. So, long story short, if something's bothering you that you would like to discuss on a one-on-one basis, then my email ID, Instagram, and Facebook are in the description box below. You can write to me there. Or else you can check out videos on the channel. Maybe your topic is already covered in one of the pick a card readings, and you can check that out in case that's something you would prefer. And say hi in the comment section below. I would love to get to know you and how this makes sense in your situation, if it even does make sense to you, and how it resonates and what your feelings are, and just in general. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow. It really helps me. It really helps get these readings out to a lot more people, and it really helps those people as well. So please do your bit and help me help people and like help the channel grow. I would really appreciate it. I really appreciate you for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you again another time in another video or in person. Until next time then, bye bye. Hi group number 4, welcome to your reading. I feel like some of you are getting a little unattached from the situation that you are in, or maybe you're wanting a little more space. It's one of the two situations, because like I'm completely like going behind and this is not really the energy I am in, but I'm gonna respect your energy zone and just stay here, okay? What is the answer to your question is yes, it could be, maybe it is possible, so you can try. For someone out there, the minute I said you can try, maybe you think the other, like if you counter question that, the answer to that is no, you will not fail, but like even if you do, like you can try. The point is you can try in the situation and it could materialize whatever the situation is. Don't worry about it failing or not. That's not really, that shouldn't be a concern at the moment. At the moment, you should just need to know that yes, you can try, and things might work out. If it's not something where you can do something, then the answer is yes, things might work out. And if it's a situation where you can do something, then yes, you can try to do what you have in mind, or like you can try to find a solution, and things might just work out for the best once you implement that. I think some of you are a little happy hearing that, and you're still like overthinking a little, but I guess you will move past that phase into the action phase very soon, and get a little more balanced and a little more like detached. And you will also, in case you need space, just say it, the person will respect it, okay? And yeah, and don't pull back too much from the situation also, so like stay in a balanced form. Things should get in order within the next 3 months for most of you, like for 95% of you. For the other 5% of you, in the next 8 to 9 months, okay? So for some of you it's a little longer, it's 8 to 9 months, but it's within a year for all of you, and it's in the next 3 weeks or in the next 3 months for most of you. So when I say the next 3 months, it obviously includes even today, but I think some of you got a little like, oh my god, it's gonna take 3 months. So no, it might just take 3 weeks if you're that person, or like a little less than that. But yeah, less than 3 months or before 3 months is like from this very moment when you're watching this video till like 3 months after that. Okay. I really hope this helped you in your situation and you've got the answer you're looking for. If there are any more questions that you would like to ask, then you can check out the same video or other videos on the channel and see what the answer to your question is. There are a lot of other readings, pick a card readings on the channel as well. And in case you want a private session or a one-on-one reading on your situation in specific, then my email ID, Instagram, and Facebook are in the description box below. I would love to read for you and get in touch with you. So do write to me, and I'll be more than happy to set something up for you. In the meanwhile, please say hi in the comment section below. Let me know how this resonated. Please hit the notification bell, the like button, help the channel grow, help me grow, and I'd really appreciate that. And it would just like help me move ahead in my mission and get messages to like a lot more people and help a lot more people. So I really love that. I feel like I should give you guys a disclaimer that all tarot readings are for entertainment purpose only, obviously, and energy is also fluid. So timelines can of course change by your actions. If you're feeling like, oh my god, this is too long and I would rather have it happen sooner, then in most cases, if your actions change and your energy shifts, it can happen even now. Unless sometimes the situation involves multiple people and divine timing is involved, then that's a different scenario altogether. But yeah, these are the timelines I'm getting based on the current energy. So if you're not liking them, maybe it's time to shift the energy a little. I don't know. Give it a thought. You know best. And yeah, take the reading with a pinch of salt always. And lots of love. I would love to see you around. Until next time, then, bye bye.